Hello and welcome to the Opal shop. Here we've got a parcel of 2 large Boulder Opals, and I'll be showing to you individually. You've got piece 1. As you can see, the boulder has been wetted, so the colors will be enhanced. So you can see the bright to it. He's got a lovely intricate parcel. Goes way to the top. The blue highlights. If I angle them, you can see them. There's the side, back, mostly boulder. There's the handle. Where the opals are. Both of them has been pre-shaped. Here's boulder number 2. This has got a really lovely pattern to it, with different shades of red, slightly blue all across. The side's got also ramifications of the opal coming through, and you've got more emphatic bit of opal at the back. Those pieces can definitely be worked on, recut, reshaped to become pendants and other pieces of jewelry that you please. And that'll be it for the parcel of 2 Boulder Opals. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.